Hey guys, I placed an order from Vanness Pens, and I already unboxed everything and was playing, but I figured while I have everything here on the desk, let me show you what I got, what's going on, and this is how this order happened. I'll get to this in 1 second. I have this Vinta ink. I'm really enjoying. I have 3 colors in the Vinta. 4, 1, 2, 3. I can't say. Yeah, I have 3 colors in the Vinta inks, and I'm really enjoying them. But this one in particular, the and I'm sorry if I'm gonna butcher it, Piloncitos. It actually has 2 names. Why they have 2 names on? Well, I guess because everybody can't pronounce them like me. They also call it gold dust, which refers to actually pilon is, I think, a coin, or yeah, a gold bit or something like that. It goes back to the beginning of the money exchange in Philippines. Okay, long story, getting distracted. But anyway, that's how they chose the name, and you could see. Let me wipe the smudge prints off the bottle, off the glass bottle. But you could see the gold shimmer dust in there. And it is just such a unique green that I really, I was starting to get a little nervous that I was going to use this up, which is ridiculous because a drop of ink goes a really long way. But I really like this ink, and it's just, like I said, it's very unique. And this is small in comparison to a size of, like, Pilot ink. So, maybe I would use this up a little bit faster than some of the others, but I'll show you a swatch of the Vinta. And I hope this picks it up because it's so much prettier in the sunlight. You can go on my Instagram and you could see I have some really good recent shots. I think I put this up there of the Vinta ink. Anyway, it's just so pretty and so different, and like I said, it's a little harder to get your hands on because not a lot of the ink vendors carry it. So yeah, so that's how that happened. And the bottle is the same. This just has plastic around it for shipping, but yeah, it's the same. So, and I don't know if I'm repeating myself, but I've never bought a backup bottle of any of my inks. I don't think I need it. I have too many inks as it is, but that's another story. And I also got 2 samples. I got, one is the Vinta Carnival, which is a really pretty green. I'm not going to test that right now because I just got a manicure and I'm trying desperately to keep it clean for at least 1 day. And a sample of Noodler's whales and crabs, which we know Noodler's are high stainers, so definitely not going to try that today. But while I was on the site getting that, I remembered seeing this review of the Faber Castell pen, this grip pen. Maybe it was like 2 months ago or something. I cannot remember who it was who did the review, and I'm sorry because I would like to give them credit for recommending this, and I can't find the video. I can't find who it was. They had it in a white like coconut milk color, maybe. If you know who I'm talking about, please let me know down below. But yeah, it's just a starter pen, and it's a extremely lightweight pen. So I have like the Platinum Prefonte, and this is like a super light acrylic. If you have something like the, one of these, then yeah, it's about the same weight in plastic as that is. That's a good starter pen too. But the other reason I got this was because it came in a broad nib, which very rarely happens in starter pens. They generally only come in fine or medium nibs. So, you know, that was another reason that I wanted to give it a shot. But on trying it, I will say that I don't really, I don't know. I've gone from a fine to a medium to a 1.1. That's sort of like my happy place. It's more of a calligraphy style pen. This, I don't know if it's really a broad. It feels more, it writes a lot like medium. You know, I guess everybody's definition of medium might be different, but I mean, it's definitely maybe a little bit smoother. I don't know. I think maybe I was expecting something a little bit more dramatic than indifference than a medium. But it's a nice pen. You know, for $20, it's, you know, it's a pretty decent pen. It writes very smoothly. I filled it. I couldn't decide between the J. Urban Stormy Gray and the Diamine Moondust. So the Moondust was the one that I went with. Oh, and the grip on here, I think it's really just cosmetic. I don't think it really does anything in the hand. First of all, the pen is so extremely light that any weight on the back end of your hand is, you know, non-existent. And the grips do not go down to the to where your finger rests anyway, so it really doesn't make that much of a difference, but it does make for one cute pen. And yeah, let me show you a sample of what the ink looks like. Oh, and it comes in this box with these, I don't know, cute little holes. I guess that's to resemble the dots on the pen. You know, unique packaging, I guess. But this is the this is Rhodia paper. I was in Blick and they had a display. I have a big pad of the Rhodia paper, but this is small and I can actually fit this in my pocket-sized traveler's notebooks. It has a little bit of overhang, but you know, that's fine. It doesn't bother me. So anyway, here's the Diamine Moondust on Rhodia paper. So let's see. Let's try to move it slowly so you can see. It's not a lot of shading and coloring. I think that's what I was expecting more with a broad nib. But I still like the way it writes. And I like this gray ink. It's very pretty. And here it is on the, this is my ink journal. And this is the one that I keep in my traveler's notebook. And this is Tomoe River paper. It's the ivory color. Or the cream color. And here's the Diamine Moondust on here. It shows up so much prettier on here. But it's a, yeah, it's a cute little starter pen. I like it. So, anyway, that's it. That's what's on my desk. That's it for this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.